Hi everyone. I know, long time no see. So I've got some veggies, and then I'll tell you what I've been doing that I need to use up. I bet a lot of you have veggies you need to use up. So I'm going to do like a beef and broccoli stir fry. Looks crooked. But I'm going to have some mushrooms, bok choy, white onion, green onion, these chili peppers I grew, and we're just gonna stir fry this up. So I have some oil in here, and I'm going to add some sesame oil, and I'm gonna do my meat first. And I've just taken some beef and sliced it really thin. Oh crap. Just use whatever you can afford and slice it really thin against the grain if you can. It's an inexpensive piece of meat. Sorry, I know that's loud. I'm not talking because it's so loud. I turned it down so it should calm down here in a second. And don't worry about it being, all the way done, because it's going to go back in the pan. I'm going to get a bowl. Take it all up. I have some white rice in my rice cooker. Y'all are probably getting all greasy. There's our bowl of meat. Now next, going to add some white onion, some bok choy, some mushrooms, and if you have a bunch of veggies in your fridge you need to use up, go ahead and use them in this. Use whatever you want. Carrots. I'm going to be using some frozen broccoli. And this cooks relatively fast. I made a heck of a mess, I'll say that. Heck of a mess. Need a hot, soapy rag like yesterday. So just stir this up. So where I've been, I wanted to do a video and get it out there to you guys. is I'm fostering a dog right now for a rescue. So I've been busy with that. Vet appointments, she's had eye infections, upper respiratory, you know how they all have kennel cough. She doesn't want to get rid of hers. She's still a snotty little kid. And I'll take a video of her so you guys can see her. And so when we get her all well, we'll get her fixed and then get her ready for adoption. I went and picked her up off of death row, and I've had her for about a month now. So I've been really busy with that, and then we had a concert. We went to Deep Purple, Pat Travers, and then I got kind of puny. My stomach thing we've not figured out yet. So, okay, there's our veggies. Now I'm going to add some garlic. Just a teaspoon and a half. Add as much as you like, if you like a lot. You could even add ginger if you want. Stir that about, or a boot. So you can use a lot of veggies in this because they shrink down, and that'll help give you more filler. And if you slice the meat really thin, you'll have a lot of meat. So add some soy sauce. Probably about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add some oyster sauce. A tablespoon. Going to add a little bit of sugar, some black pepper. There's a fly in here. Some chicken powder, bouillon, whatever. This is more of a kind of Vietnamese, Cambodian flavors. Stir all that up. And then I'm going to add my broccoli on top of this and my meat back in. Oh, and I need my peppers. These little peppers, chilies that I grew, I'm just gonna cut them in with scissors. I have some green onions sliced up over here, and like I said, my rice is going in the rice cooker. You can use whatever you have on hand flavor-wise. Soy sauce, hoisin, Thai sweet chili, sriracha. You can make a cornstarch slurry if you want to thicken it up. If you're using like a soy sauce based stuff. So now I'm going to add the broccoli. There's some meat in there. And I'm going to add this beef back in here. Stir that up. And I'm just going to let this go until that broccoli is heated through, and this is done. And I'm going to serve it over rice. You can taste your sauce after you mix it up. If you want to add more, you can add more. If you like it saucier, we'll see what it's like after this broccoli cooks. And if I need to, I'll make a slurry. We'll adjust it. So we'll be back. Okay, so I tasted that juice right there and it's really good. But as you can see from the broccoli, it has some water in it. My mouth's watering from tasting that. So I'm going to make a little cornstarch slurry. So I'm going to put just a small teaspoon from your dishes and just a little water. Maybe a quarter cup of water. I'm going to add that. Stir it about. And see, it thickened up really fast. This is ready. I think I'm going to add just a tad of that oyster sauce. So I want a little more dark. That was about a teaspoon. A little more brown. And then we're just going to serve this over rice. Oops. And I made enough rice to make stuffed bell peppers. Tomorrow I'm going to do a recipe for you guys with squash. It's a side dish. It's a Mexican style. But I'm going to do it over pasta because I really liked the way it turned out and thought it would make a really good pasta sauce for a hot day. It still is so hot and humid here. There's no air outside. You go outside and it's like there's just no air. Burner, I turned it off. I need to kill that fly. Some of these other veggies on there. And then some green onion. And there you go, a very quick, easy meal to use up your veggies in the fridge that need to be going. So if you have any questions, post them down below. I'm sorry I've been gone. I'm going to be canning all weekend, so if you want to see some pepper jelly and French onion soup and all that, because I got a ton of onions, then check back and we will have those videos for you. So have a great day, evening, whatever it is where you're at, and try this. It's easy peasy.